Crypto grid bots do execute trades for you, but they cannot assess your risk levels, they cannot tell you how much to invest, how much profits to take, where to put the profits that you've just made, how to avoid losing capital, and keep making profits on bull and bear markets. I will help you answer all these questions throughout the video, and if you stay until the end, you can see how I use the free grid bot template to calculate these amounts, and you can do that yourself as well. I will also show you some sites and platforms that you can use to generate some passive income over your bot profits. By the end, you will be able to profit in multiple market conditions and have an entire system to generate profits, reinvest, and make more profits on what you've just earned from your grid bot. So stay tuned if you would like to check that out. Hi, I'm Hugo from Allocate.com, and in this video I will help you manage your funds on your grid bot. And I will also show you some options to reinvest your profits as well, so that you can still manage your risks and still earn some crypto even if you don't have all your funds applied on one source of income, in this case being a grid bot. First, we are going to start with what an allocation is, which is a percentage or a part of your funds that goes into a specific asset or goal. By diversifying across multiple assets and using other platforms, you'll be reducing the risk because you don't just depend on only one source of income or one bot that works in a specific way. In this case, we will use different percentages to take out profits from the bot. If you were to just reuse all the funds, it would be hard to keep track of profits, losses, and everything in between. Having a significant amount of funds on one platform alone will increase risk. If you have enough so that you can spread it across platforms, then take a look at the following allocations. Of the total portfolio or investment amount in the crypto market, consider using 50% in trading bots, 30% on HODL or long-term investments, and 20% for a reserve or safety fund that you will use with your trading bot, in this case grid bot. Consider putting aside some funds on your exchange to act as a reserve, which would be the 20%, instead of just using everything on bots. This will help you if there's a price drop where you will be able to buy more of the same coin and then make more profits on the way up, not only recovering but also making extra profits from volatility and price increases. I would recommend an 80-20 allocation where you put 80% of your funds in one or more bots depending on the budget that you currently have available, and 20% as a reserve on the currency of the second ticker you are trading to avoid extra steps, for example in USDT or BTC or any other stablecoin. Now let's talk about bot profits allocation. It is essential to take profits from time to time, otherwise there would be no point in running the bots. One could take profits at the end of a year, let's say, or a month, or any other period of time, or you can again use allocations or percentages to take some profits out and accelerate your investments. That way you are bringing funds from a higher risk source of income with higher percentages, APRs, to a lower risk one, from your grid bots to a long-term portfolio or an interest-bearing account. But at the same time, you don't need to withdraw all your funds at once. Keeping some will help you make the bot earn more over time, as you can increase the investment amount being used. So take out 10% up to 25% of the profits made from each profitable grid bot closed. This is easy to keep up even when regridding, and make sure you are taking profits in bull markets but also in bear markets. But of course, don't forget that the bot must be profitable. You can also apply this for a regreed bot, meaning that if there was a price decrease and your bot went out of range, you could open a second bot to recover, and in that case, when that bot gets out of range because the price has gone to previous higher levels, then you can still profit from that, take a bit of the profits out and keep riding some bots on that pair until you recover to previous levels. Now, what should you do with the 25% part of the profits? Well, you can send them to CeFi lending on interest accounts like Nexo and receive interest over your crypto, but you can also opt for DeFi products, whether that's lending, yield farming or liquidity farming. You can also stake strong projects for top market cap coins on your cold wallet or on an exchange if you trust it enough. And of course, that are all viable options depending on how much you are willing to risk for the percentage that they will give you for a certain asset, whether that's Cardano, AVAX or other coin. Another way is to also lend, but instead of lending on a centralized or custodian app, you can instead lend on exchanges with what it's called margin lending. So you are lending funds so that other people trading on the platform can do margin, which is when they trade what they have and then they apply a multiplier to trade a little bit more by using the money that you just lent out. So you have this on KuCoin, on Bitfinex, on Poloniex and other exchanges. You can also grow your portfolio with an automated portfolio platform such as Shrimpy, or you can also use the KuCoin Smart Rebalance bot. Another option is to run grid bots for BTC or Ethereum or other top altcoins for 1 year plus with around 30 grids, and don't close before that time period, whether the price is below, above or within the range of that bot. And I have mentioned some of these on a different video, which is called Earn Passive Income with Crypto, which you can check out by clicking on the card at the top of the video or in the description. I know it can be a bit overwhelming to keep up with everything, that's why I have created a sheet to help you out, which you can download from the link down in the description. On the bot allocations page, you can insert your investment amount and all the allocations are auto-calculated so that you know how much to invest, take profit or send to other passive income sources. Once you access this sheet, it will ask you to make a copy, which means that if you want to use different allocations or percentages, you can just change it on your sheet and then the changes will be applied to your overall investment amount, therefore giving you the values that you need to your specific strategy, so that you will know how much to invest, how to take profit and when, and also send to other passive income sources. In the links tab, you'll also find plenty of options to invest your 25% part of the profits. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more crypto strategy and educational content, or check out the marketing playlists on the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.